Hi friends, I am Professor Raju Thenge from Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy, Malkapur. Here we will learn another technique of microencapsulation, that is co-acervation phase separation technique. So this method was patented by B.K. Green et al. In this method, the co-acervate may be formed by separating the phases, and that co-acervate which may get deposit over the surface of core material, and finally it can form a microcapsules. So this co-acervation phase separation method involves 3 steps under the continuous agitation. So these 3 steps are: first one, formation of 3 immiscible chemical phase; second, deposition of coating; and third one, rigidization of the coating. So first step is formation of 3 immiscible chemical phases. So this formation of 3 immiscible chemical phase, it consists of liquid manufacturing vehicle phase, core material phase, and coating material phase. So first step, in which to form the 3 phases of a core material is dispersed in a solution of coating material. The solvent for the polymer is liquid manufacturing vehicle phase. So in this method, first the core material is dispersed into the coating material, and then this may be added to the liquid manufacturing vehicle phase. See here in this diagram, it is clearly differentiate how this core material may get encapsulated. In the first stage, here this yellow droplet, it is of core material. So it is either dispersion or the liquid droplet, and this other part, it is a polymeric solution. So this coacervate, in the next step, coacervate is formed. So this coacervate formation may be achieved by these different methods, that is the phase separation. So phase separate may be achieved by changing the temperature of polymeric solution, second by addition of the salt, then by addition of the non-solvent, then by addition of the incompatible polymer. First method of phase separation is changing the temperature of polymeric solution. Due to the change in the temperature, coating material separates from polymeric solution and forms a coacervate. Second, by the addition of the salt. By addition of salt to the coating material, phase separation occurs due to the formation of coacervate. Third one, by the addition of non-solvent. Coacervation occurs due to the addition of non-solvent to the polymeric solution. Phase separation may occur. Last one, by addition of incompatible polymer. Phase separation takes place due to the mixing of 2 immiscible substances. Thus, coacervate forms by phase separation deposits on the core materials and forms a layer, and finally by rigidization it may forms a complete covering over the surface of core materials, and it forms a microcapsules. Second step, deposition of a coating on the core material. So in this method, application of coating material on the core material occurs if the polymer is adsorbed at the interface between the core and the coating material. And in the third step, formation of a self-sustaining microcapsules by rigidizing the coating. So this rigidization of the coating can be achieved by thermal method, by cross-linking method, and by dissolution technique. Thus, by using a coacervation phase separation techniques, the microcapsules can be formed. This phase separation coacervation technique has a number of advantages, such as it is a versatile process, it forms a uniform coating, it is a easy and fast process, and uniform size of the microcapsules can be obtained. It is having some disadvantages. Scale up of this technique is somewhat difficult and agglomeration may occur during the process of coacervate formations. Thank you. If you like this video, do not forget to hit share or like. Thank you.